Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to get Word to read text aloud. To get Word to read text aloud, we have 4 steps for you. Open Microsoft Word. Launch the Microsoft Word app on your device. Adjust settings for notifications. Tap the profile icon in the top left corner to access these settings. Under the notification section, tap Push Notifications. Ensure that Allow Notifications and Play Sounds are toggled on. You can enable all options to ensure the text-to-speech feature works properly. Open your document. Go back to the main page and tap to open the document you want to have read aloud. Activate Read Aloud. Once the document is open, you'll see options in the bottom toolbar. Tap Read Aloud and the text will be read aloud. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.